Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can actually head over in here. So on our left sidebar, so scroll down from that, click on settings right here. And on the settings, you should be able to see your plan. So on this plan right here, you need to have a whole plan that is for you. For example, you need to subscribe to the Shopify plan in order to receive payments. So as you can see, I'm in a trial plan, so this still counts, but you need to have an actual plan if you want to do this long term. So from in there, head over in here to the payment. Under this payments right here, you can see all the payment providers that you actually support. For example, this one is PayPal, which has a 0% transaction fee. So what you can do is you can just set up your PayPal from in there. And then once someone actually buy from your shop, the payment will be redirected on your PayPal itself, and Shopify won't be able to get it in terms of this one. So this PayPal, in turn, will be withdrawn on your PayPal as well. So when someone orders from you, it will be directed to PayPal and not to the Shopify payment provider. So you can also head over and choose another payment provider right here. You can choose to search for this aid in payments that supports a lot of credit cards right here, and it will be redirected or it will be given to your actual card that you have linked in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.